Hi everyone, thank you for watching. I'm so happy to be filming today. It's been way too long since I filmed a video and I've been wanting to film for months now, so finally I was able to film and I created this look, which definitely is a little out of my comfort zone, but I'm really happy with how it came out. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I created this look and just get ready with me, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I already primed my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape. This is what I always use as my eyeshadow primer. So I really am not sure what exactly I want to do. I know that I want to use the Dose of Colors iluvsarahii palette. I really want to use this blue shade because I don't do anything like this. I think I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. It's like huge, takes up the whole frame. I'm gonna take this shade right here. I believe it's called Silk Cream. I lost the little page with the names on it, but it's the third shade. And what I like to do is kind of first pat it instead of like going right in with circular motions. I find that like patting it first, laying the color down, and then blending is a bit easier and it just looks a little smoother. I'm honestly so happy to be filming today. Honestly, I've just been super busy with school and work and my personal life, but I recently just left my old job to focus on school because I'm going full-time now. I'll actually be transferring. I applied to schools this October, so I'll be transferring next fall, which is really exciting. I'm gonna now go in with this shade from the Dose of Colors iluvsarahii palette, and I'm gonna apply this right at my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade called Poquito Más, and I'm going to apply that right underneath. Again, I'm first just patting and then blending. I'm just still blending that Poquito Más shade, slowly adding more and more. It's better to just add a little bit at a time so you don't overdo it. I'm gonna now go in with this shade called Loungy. It's a black with a bunch of glitter in it, but I saw Karen iluvsarahii use this in her video, her tutorial, with the blue shade, and it just looked beautiful. So I'm gonna try it and let's hope that I don't ruin everything. I'm gonna first pat it on my lash line, like so, and then drag it up. It's really cool how it has a bunch of shimmers, but when you blend it out, it's matte. You can't see any shimmers on my lid. I'm gonna leave it at that for now and then go back in with more black if I need to. But I think I'm gonna go in with my lid color. My goodness. That is so stunning. That color is so unique. I'm gonna spray my brush with some Fix Plus. I'm gonna go back in with the black shade, literally just dipping in once and blend that onto the outer V. Is that the correct term? Because I want it to be smoky, but not too intense where it's like, hello. I feel like that always helps when you're not sure if you need to add more or not, just cleaning up your eyeshadow. So I think I'm going to just go ahead and do the other eye off camera just because it took me a while to do this eye. So I'm just gonna do the other eye off camera and then come back to do the rest of my makeup. So as I was finishing up my other eye off camera, I hear my doorbell ring and this came. I'm kind of frustrated because I mean, not that I didn't want to film this look, but I was so eager to get the Friendcation palette. I was like, of course it comes as I'm filming. I plan to film a look with this palette still, but I thought it would be fun for me to unbox it on camera. I just got the palette and the lip gloss. I'm so excited to open this right now. They just know how to get you. Especially this packaging. It's like the prettiest packaging that I own. The moment awaits to open it. Oh my god. It's so pretty. I am gonna go in with this shade because I've been dying to try everything. I keep saying that. But this over the top, no. That's the gloss. Just a Kiss. I really want to put this on my inner corner. I think I might even add it like on the inner part of my eye. Just like blending it together. Yeah, I love that. Now we get to move on to the face, which is, I think, my favorite part. So I'm first gonna go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. This is the So Chill Coconut one. I have an addiction with spraying my face. It just feels so good. I could just do it all day. I like to let that dry, and then I go in with my Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. This primer is very, very expensive. Everything by Hourglass is, but everything from Hourglass is so bomb. Like, it really is, but especially this primer. This has honestly been my favorite primer for months. So I just feel like it really helps keep my makeup on all day. Like, I have other primers that do different things. None of the other primers that I own, I never really noticed a difference with helping the longevity of my makeup. Whereas this one, this really helps keep my makeup in place for a long time. And it's just nice because it just really like smooths out your skin without making it look super matte. Because I know with a lot of pore minimizing primers and smoothing primers, it makes your skin matte. And I'm not really into a matte look. Never have been. Don't think I ever will be. This is just like a nice satiny finish, and you really only need a little bit. And I dot it all over my face. A little bit goes a long way, and you can feel as you're applying it how it just feels so smooth. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This one and the Too Faced Born This Way. These are my two favorite foundations. And I use the shade 7.5 for when I'm self-tanned. All of my foundations are actually for when I'm self-tanned. I only have like one when I'm my natural shade, which is super pale. And I'm applying it with the Blue Beauty Blender. That is a tongue twister. This is the, I think it's called the Sapphire one. I really like this one. I feel like I always say that when new colors come out. I'm always like, I really like this one. I'm now gonna cream contour, and I hate to use another expensive product, but almost all of the products I own, I buy because YouTubers that I watch that they use and recommend. Just wanted to throw that out there. I'm gonna use this Bobbi Brown foundation stick in the shade Almond. I heard about this from Desi, and it's honestly really great. Love how easy it blends, and I love the shade of it because it's really warm. And I don't know, I think when you have a tan, it's more flattering to go on the more warm side when you're contouring and stuff than cool toned. And I'm just gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. Everything more pricey that I buy because of YouTubers. I'm like, okay, they really like it, they recommend it, then I have to get it. I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Natural Beige. I really like this concealer. It definitely doesn't have as much coverage as the Shape Tape, but I like it because it's more hydrating. Last night when I was self-tanning, I applied my Loving Tan onto my face. I always use that one on my face, and it's never like irritated me at all. I've been using it for probably a year now. And for some reason last night, it like started just itching right here. I think it might have been because earlier I had like rubbed essential oils on my hands, and I washed my hands after, but I feel like there was still like residue of the essential oils, and maybe that's what caused my face to itch. I don't know, I freaked out because I never had felt like itchy before, so I took it off right away because I was like, I don't want to like break out in a rash. I just have super sensitive skin. The next thing that I do is my cream highlighter. I have a lot of steps in my makeup routine, but I don't wear this much makeup every day, so. For cream highlighter, my two favorites are the Marc Jacobs Do You drops, Cover FX drops. I am gonna mix a little bit of both on the back of my hand. You really only need a little bit. This smells really good too. So I mix the two on the back of my hand, and as you can see, it's very intense. So I apply it on my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, my chin, on my nose, bridge of my nose. And just blend it with my finger, and I kind of bring it up a little. To set my face, I'm going to be using the Hourglass Mineral Veil Translucent Powder. I actually lied. I set my under eyes first before my face, and today I feel like using a different powder for my under eyes. This is the Patrickstarrr MAC powder, which I'm so sad they don't have it anymore. I literally just saved this. Like, I don't use it very often. I want it to last long. I normally use the Hourglass powder to set my entire face and under eyes, but thought I would be extra today. I'm gonna go in with my Hourglass powder and my beauty blender and set it. Set it and forget it. Now I'm going to bronze my face with my Marc Jacobs Tantric bronzer. I'm gonna use the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH02 brush. This is my new favorite bronzer brush. It's really good. It feels super luxurious. I love to put bronzer just down my nose and on my chin. I don't contour my nose because I don't know how to, and I feel like every time I've tried, it just makes it look bigger. For blush, I think I'm gonna use, I'm gonna use MAC Peaches. This is like my go-to blush. I love this blush so much. I love peachy blushes. My makeup right now is very summery, I'm realizing. But that's okay because it doesn't even feel like fall right now. It's still 90 degrees outside. I'm going to do my lower lash line. I think I want to do a mixture of these two shades on my lower lash line. So I'm going to first go in with Poquito Más. I'm going to go in with the Finders Keepers shade below. I think I'm going to add a little bit of this dark brown shade from the Desi and Katy palette because I just want it to be a little bit more smoky. And use this like right at my lash line. There we go. This is like a very dark, almost black brown. For my inner corner highlight, I think I'm going to go in with Just a Kiss again. That color is so pretty. I love it. My camera stopped recording, but I applied the Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in the shade Kitten right on the high points of my face, so my cheekbones, and then everywhere that I applied the cream highlight. Now we get to go in with our actual powder highlight. And I just like to apply, I like to do these steps because it just makes my highlight last longer, like I said, pop that much more. And I like an intense highlight. I'm gonna go with the Solmate highlighter. This highlighter is bomb. I freaking love this highlighter so much. Like, hello. Wow. So for lips, I'm gonna first go in with the iluvsarahii Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Nude Chica. So I think I'm gonna now go in with this Colourpop Luxe lipstick. These are so amazing. I love the formula. They're so pigmented and creamy and comfortable to wear. And I think they're like $6 or $7. They're honestly like, they remind me of MAC lipstick. This is in the shade Appy and it's a little bit more on the like warm peachy side. So I'm gonna just put this in the center. I don't even know if that made a difference. I really want to try this gloss so bad. This is the new Desi and Katy gloss. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. I already love their over-the-top gloss. This is about to be my new favorite gloss, I already know. So I'm gonna now set my face with the Skindinavia Bridal Setting Spray. Now, the last thing I'm gonna do is add some black to my waterline because this look is really smoky and I always do this. Okay, so I'm just gonna do my mascara off camera and I'll be right back with the completed look. Alright you guys, this is the completed look. I had so much fun filming today and I'm really happy with how this look came out. I did apply the Solmate highlighter that I used on my face also in my inner corners because I feel like it needed a little bit more of like a golden undertone, but it just made it pop even more, so I did that off camera. Oh, and for mascara, I used the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara, which is my absolute favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.